Okay, with it. Today I'm about to give you my thoughts and the reasons why you will regret not buying these shoes. Let's get into it.
Check. I make moves, I'm a smooth dude. I didn't get it all my life, hard-headed little screw. Had to go adapt to that that I wasn't used to. I elevated like that cheese cry, not voodoo. I had to bump my head so many times, still do.
Now what my pack? Boom. Yes, sir. Now these came with two pair of laces, right? The green and the black. I ain't picky, and I guess I ain't want for a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? But still, you could've, Jordan Brand, y'all could've threw us the white laces as well. Come on now. I need that. Even though I know I got a pair, you know what I'm saying, just on ice somewhere in London. I got a few new pairs. Don't worry about all that. But I want another white pair. Y'all done up the price, so go ahead and up the little presentation in my options. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, I digress. So, boom, here we go. I went on to show y'all, I know it's a little bright. I went on to show y'all the, you know, the green. I laced them up and everything because these going to the foots. Ain't no reselling on these. I'm finna get stupid fly in these guys. If y'all want to see how I style them, definitely let me know and I will do that for y'all. But this is how they look with the black laces in them. They cold. I'm on the fence a little bit because like on one hand it's like the black looks super clean to me, and then the green is hard as well. You get to see more of that green because a lot of times the green will be on the toe box as well with this type of color blocking. But I don't know, man. And then another thing, I want to see how they look with the white laces. So we gonna see, man. Down the line y'all probably see me, you know, drip these out a little bit or something like that. But let's get into what I think about it. Alright, so the leather quality or softness of the leather, I ain't no leather expert or nothing like that, so I ain't finna claim this is the best quality and all that kind of stuff. But I just know how they feel on my foot. You know what I'm talking about? So it ain't the best, but it definitely ain't the worst. It ain't that plasticky mess that they be putting on some shoes, but it's not that super soft plush stuff that they put on some shoes. You feel what I'm saying? It's like middle of the road type of deal. The black part ain't too crazy. It's a little hard to me, in my opinion. The white parts on the sides, they got a little give to them, so it's probably not gonna crease up too ugly. Like I feel like the white part gonna crease up kind of decently. The black part is to be determined. I think the black part might crease a little ugly, just a little bit. But as far as like the back, right, you know, the little back panel where the green is and everything, that looks pretty decent. It look like, you know what I'm saying, once you break them in, add a little wear, a little character to them, it's gonna look smooth. It ain't gonna look like you've been standing on the back of your shoes and stuff like that. So I feel like it's gonna be alright. The green bottoms, I'm so glad they went with the green bottoms, because if they would have threw a black bottom on there, I feel like it would have took away from the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand that the black bottom ain't gonna get as dirty as the green or whatever, but the green, because they didn't put that green on the toe box, I feel like they had to put it on the soles, and I'm appreciative of that. The little insoles, they going with this little I say they've been doing it like the past, well, nah, heck no, this a new one, because I know the other one's kind of like rubber like on the past Jordan ones like last year and stuff like that, but like this kind of new, so I'm curious to see how this gonna feel on foot. Hopefully it is more comfortable than normal, because y'all know if you have any pair of Jordan 1s, you know they're not the most comfortable. Me personally, I actually, here they go right here, I put these little Dr. Scholl's in my joints and I'd be smooth when I know I gotta walk around for a long time. Like, 'cause most of the time when I wear my shoes, I'm either like, I'm probably running errands or something like that, you know, with my sneaker business. Sneaker customizing, well, not sneaker customizing, we customize everything, rugs, hats, all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? You know, boom, this kind of stuff, this is what we doing right here. But yeah, I normally be walking around and all that kind of stuff, so I hope they are more comfortable, so I don't have to keep on spending money on Dr. Scholl's insoles, because I don't like, I'm tired of swapping them out and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's a real smooth, cool shoe, man. Definitely glad I got these, because I don't have, at least not to my knowledge, or other than them Grinches. I mean, but that's not like a everyday type shoe. I don't really have like a shoe I can wear it with a little nice color of green in it. So I was really happy to go ahead and get these, because I was gonna get them gorgeous green ones, and then I was thinking about the twos as well, but they keep dropping green colorways, so it was like, I guess I waited to the perfect one, because like I was saying, people gonna regret not getting these. It's gonna be another one of them shoes, like, you know, back in like 2017, 18, where all them shoes was sitting and stuff like that, like Black Cat 4s and just a whole bunch of shoes just sitting, and then now they crazy in the price. This gonna be one of them shoes. Watch what I tell you. Folks gonna be like, dang, those was sitting back then. Yeah, I think I might double up. I don't know. Nah, before I double up, I'm gonna get them taxis too, cause that's gonna be another one of them shoes as well. I'm gonna get the taxi ones. But man, hopefully y'all enjoy this quick and simple review, in my opinion, type of review, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want me to do like a little outfit, you know what I'm saying, put fits together and everything, y'all let me know in the comments. I may do it anyway, I don't know. But it's been yellow. Make sure, hold on, make sure you like the video, man, and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? Now
You come out the city, when you come out of me, either
I'm
you
a
eat
catch.
starve, you with it or not, you gotta go get it. Either you trapping or hooping, either way you moving, you still gonna be shooting. I'm from the city, you gotta act like you don't got it, so you never lose it.